So they're looking for this. Wat dit 'n bietjie ingewikkeld maak, but not too complicated. Okay. Remember, when we use the cos rule, we need three sides. Okay? Three known sides, which we don't have now because that isn't even in a triangle. Okay. Or we can use the sine rule, but then you would have needed the opposite side, which once again we don't have. Okay. So forget about that now. Look at the two angles next to it that is actually in a triangle. Do you agree that if I have the value of this angle, then I can say that that one is vertically opposite? No? Okay. First, look at those two dots. Can I calculate the size of those angles? Yes, because they are in triangles of which I have all three sides, so I can use the cos rule. Okay, so that's where we're going. Next, we are either going to angles on a straight line, or you could have used die omwenteling is 360, né? En dan deel jy hom net deur 2. Okay, but I'm somewhere going to use angles on a straight line. So let's calculate the size of angle TKR. And you all understand why I'm doing that now. Because then I can go subtract that from 180 to get the angle that they are asking me for. Okay. Yeah? Good. Now remember, I told you guys this yesterday as well. When you're working with the cos rule, if I'm looking for this angle, this side must be the one on the left-hand side that is squared. Né? So as ek hierdie hoek soek, dan gaan ek daai sy, die 16 kwadraat op sy eie hê. And then the other two in any order. Okay. It's belangrik vir my dat ons die reg het na die antwoord toe gaan nie. Can you guys remember what it means when you have a negative cos value? What type of an angle must it be then? Yep. Okay. Dialogue. So in the second quadrant, which is we only work with angles of a triangle between 0 and 180, né? Ons kry mos die hoeke in 'n driehoek wat groter is as 180 nie. Okay, but if cos is negative, it means that it must be in the second quadrant because only sin is positive in the second quadrant. So this must tell you that to get this angle, you're going to work with 180 degrees minus, and then you type in shift cos 1/7. Which is a bit counterintuitive because we're just going to subtract that from 180 now anyway. But you have to show me that step. Okay. So is dit nou gekry, julle moet dit maar vir julle ergens neerskryf dat jy dit onthou. Omdat hy 'n negatiewe getal is, weet jy hy moet 'n stomphoek wees. Okay. So now I found that angle, but I'm looking for this angle, so I'm going to say 180 degrees minus this. Like I said, it's a bit counterintuitive. So this is your final answer.